Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I got the new carburetor in. I do not have a light with me, but it's a Summit Racing brand. I'll put the link in the description of what it is. But I didn't go with Elderbrock. I went with the Summit Preferred system. You know, it worked a lot better. Comes with everything, the chrome pipe. I said redo all my plumbing, but I'm not done yet. I still got to get rid of some of this crap and get rid of the other wires I don't need. So I got like another hour and just buttoning up of it. But for those of you who watched all my cold start videos, this is why it doesn't want to run anymore, because the carb took a dump. So I switched brands and switched design, and it's been working well. I just kicked the bucket halfway across the room. So I'll do a quick fire here for you. Hear it or not, but. It's a happy camper. It's idling kind of high because it's on choke. I don't know why this thing goes on choke so fast, but it does. But I know I'm getting you guys probably sick here at running around the thing. But it was pretty simple install, came with everything. Wasn't a whole lot to it. Just a couple bolts, plumbing. It does come pretty well set from the factory, but I still had to tweak it to make it my liking. Plus I had to change the timing on the truck because this car runs differently from the ones I'm used to. So we readjusted all that. So it will do a burnout. I know I'm not making a video of that because I don't want to destroy anything. Since this truck has been sitting since January. So the last cold start video I did, probably the week after that or less, was the last time it ran. So yeah, it went pretty well. Like I said, I got some more touch-up work to do. I get tons of gas for it. But in all, it was a good idea. It's a great upgrade to it. Truck starts amazing. Has no hesitation or anything like that. I'm going up here to show you guys the box. So here's what we bought. Well, there's your part number. It does not come with all this stuff. It came with the gasket, the rails, things like that. I think that's just upgrade stuff you can buy. But it was a great upgrade. It was with shipping $420. If you got Summit bucks or something, I'm sure that can help you. I don't. So that's what I did. Had it shipped to the house, and that's what we bought. So I'm very happy with it at the moment. I put some miles on it and hit the freeway and get some good fresh fuel. I just put new spark plugs in it because the old one destroyed them. I'm sure I will have to tweak this thing one more time, but I have no complaints at the moment. We did tear off the intake, thinking that had a vacuum leak, because the other one just couldn't get this out running rich. That didn't fix it. We checked the valves, we checked push rods for being bent, because this truck has bent them before. Everything was coming back to the fact that the carb just wasn't working right. So I said screw it, I dug deep and bought another one. So that's where we're at. And I will bring you guys probably another video back once it's all completely done with the plumbing upgrades and whatnot done. Just won't be today. Probably won't be for a little while again. But you'll see that video hopefully. See, we're in May. It might be the end of May before I get to that. Might be sooner. But that'd be all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.